Hello guys, welcome back. This is Margaret. If this is the first time you're watching, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see an update. Today's lesson we are looking at differentiating. So we have a question here, x power 2 over 3, and for b we have 1 over square root of x. For c we have root x squared minus 2x minus 3. So let's start with A here. For A, we have to differentiate with using y prime. If you want, you can use dy over dx. So we are using y prime, which is equals to x power 2 over 3. So we all know that when differentiating, we have to multiply this power by the number which is here, in which here there is 1. So 2 over 3 is going to be 2 over 3 x power 2 over 3 minus 1. You have to subtract 1 from this power after you have multiplied it with the number which is here. So the answer is going to be y prime is equals to minus 2 over 3 x power. When you subtract 2 over 3 minus 1, we are going to have minus 2 over 3. So this is our final answer for number 1. For B, so we are using the y prime instead of dy over dx. You can use y prime, in which it is equals to 1 over root x, in which you have to take this one into negative. We all know that in indices, a power minus 1, in positive it will be 1 over a. So this one is in this form. So we have to take it back in negative form, in which it will be y prime equals 1 over, let's simplify with the roots, in which it will be x power half. We all know that a square root is same as half, in which it will be y prime equals you take it into negative now, in which it will be x power minus half. So let's differentiate now. By differentiating, we are multiplying minus half by 1. We are going to have minus half x power minus half minus 1, in which it will be y prime equals minus half minus 1. We are going to have minus half minus 1. We are going to have minus half x power minus 3 over 2. So this is our final answer for B. So let's simplify let's differentiate for C. For C we have y equals root x squared minus 2x minus 3. So first of all, you have to take it in the way in such that you have to simplify for you to solve it in the easiest way. So in which it will be y prime equals x squared minus 2x minus 3 in the brackets, then power half. We all know that the square root it is half. So here, this is where you multiply this power by 1 here. So we are going to have half multiplied by, in the bracket, x squared minus 2x minus 3 to the power 1 over 2 minus 1, because we are subtracting 1 from this power. So if you are here, we have to differentiate also what is in the brackets. So here we multiply by, let's let's differentiate what is in the bracket. So 2 times 1, we are going to have 2x, because when we subtract 1 here, we remain with the x, minus here is power 1. So 1 times the 2, 1 times 1, which is 1. So we remain with the 2. Here there is 1. 1 minus 1, which is 0. Any number to the power 0, it is 1. So we remain with the 2, in which it will be equals to, here there is the power minus the half, because when we subtract half, minus 1, we are going to remain with the half. Then let's simplify and divide this one half into all these one. Then here we are going to remain with it x minus 1 in the bracket, then x squared minus 2x minus 3 power minus half, in which it will be equals to, we all know that this one, it is in the negative, so you have to take it into positive, as you can see. So in